Hi everyone, I am Vinayak Titti, currently working as test automation engineer in Malaysia. In the presentation, I will be talking about Cypress automation for end-to-end testing. Cypress is not only for browser automation, you can use it for API and DB testing as well. Let's go through the introduction. Cypress is a next-generation front-end testing tool built for modern webs. Why I say modern web? Using Cypress, we can automate React, Angular, and Vue.js and other JavaScript applications as well. Cypress enables to write all types of tests such as end-to-end integration and unit tests as well. It's not only user-friendly for testers, but also developers can use it for unit testing as well. Cypress was developed by Brian Mann and Randall Kent in 2015. It's more than just browser automation, a tool for front-end end-to-end testing. As I mentioned earlier, it's useful for all types of testing. And the architecture is quite opposite to Selenium, where Selenium runs execution in the remote browser, while Cypress runs in the local browser itself. And the setup and running and executing is really easy. And Cypress comes with open source and commercial version as well. And before Cypress, we need to install all the packages: Mocha, Jasmine, Chai assertion library, Selenium, and the Selenium wrappers such as Protractor, Nightwatch, or WebDriver separately. While coming to Cypress, Cypress comes with pre-bundled package, so we don't need to install separately any other modules. It comes with pre-bundled sample template framework, and it's easy to start writing and executing scripts. Here is the game changers of Cypress. The first one is time travel. Using the test runner, we can time travel to the logs and check where and debugging is really easy with Cypress. And real-time reload, such as whenever we do any update to the scripts, Cypress will automatically run the latest changes. And automatic waiting is one of the, we don't need to add any extra setup, sleep or wait commands. Cypress automatically wait for next script to execute, and automatic screenshots and videos as well. So, here is the highlights of Cypress. One is API testing using cypress.request command. Not only for front end, we can use it for API testing as well, and DB testing using cypress.task command such as MySQL, MongoDB, MS SQL. We can handle all types of DB as well. Mobile view testing such as using the command cypress.viewport, iPhone and other Samsung, any mobile device we can handle for mobile view, and visual testing and handle iframes as well. Here is the prerequisites for the Cypress. The prerequisite very simple. We need to install a Node.js server in the local environment, and IDE such as Visual Studio Code or any other Atom, but VS Code is the recommended one. And basic JavaScript knowledge such as for loops, if conditions, and such as arrays handling. As other JavaScript frameworks, Cypress also got drawbacks as well, such as it only supports JavaScript language, and cross-browser testing is not fully compatible now currently. As Safari and IE, there is no support but in future there is a hope in the roadmap it will be support for other browsers as well. And Cypress no cross-origin domain handling as well, such as Facebook. If you are integrating third parties application, it's a challenge to automate. And finally, I have written a book on cypress-cookbook for reusable functions, configurations, and how to handle assertions, iframes, drop-downs, and BDD integration using Cucumber, and how to handle Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Docker images, and all the reusable functions and configuration I have written in the Cypress-cookbook. Please go through the given link. And finally, thanks to TestTrab and TestFlix for giving this opportunity to talk about Cypress. Happy learning. Thank you.